Designed to maximize pre-rolled joint production while significantly decreasing labor costs, the STM Canna RocketBox 2.0 is the pinnacle of hemp and marijuana pre-rolled cone machines. The RocketBox 2.0 is designed, manufactured and assembled in the USA and is constructed with commercial-grade components encased in a 100% food-grade, dent-resistant stainless steel body for long-lasting durability. Producing 453 pre-rolls in 60 seconds and up to 25,000 a day, this high-caliber machine uses a proprietary pneumatic leveling system to create accurate vibrations for even filling and packing. This system is compatible with 84, 98 and 109mm pre-rolled paper cones. The RocketBox 2.0 features exclusive and advanced smart technology with built-in density software to eliminate the guesswork in achieving accurate and repeatable results. The new adjustable top tray system provides additional regulation over the fill volume and density, giving you ultimate control over your product. Unique to this machine is training and onboarding at your fingertips, with a built-in training module accessible directly from the 7-inch high-definition touchscreen. Within training mode, operators can view step-by-step video tutorials and the full user's manual during any point of machine operation. Integrated with a multi-point safety system, the RocketBox 2.0 is OSHA compliant and backed by STM Canna's 1-year parts and labour warranty and unmatched customer service. As the most advanced pre-rolled cone filling machine in its class, the STM RocketBox 2.0 is an asset which grows with your business, allowing your facility to scale as needed without sacrificing quality. With quicker cycles, you can decrease labor costs, meet demands, and accept new or larger contracts, all while increasing profit margins and ROI. The RocketBox 2.0 is smarter, faster, and more precise.